Hello students, welcome to e-learning with Suman Gupta from Springdale Children's School, Nayagaon, Kota. Today we will take chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. In this chapter we shall learn only basic ideas of geometrical structures. In geometry, first we introduce point. A small dot made by sharp pencil on a piece of paper is known as a point. A point is a mark of position. We name a point by capital letter of English alphabet. A point has no length, breadth or thickness. Here letter A shows the position of point. Next to line segment. Let A and B 2 points. Then the straight path from A to B is called line segment. Denoting the line segment with the symbol of bar placing over it. Thus a line segment has a definite length which can be measured. The line segment AB can also be read as a line segment BA. It has two endpoints A and B. Next to ray. This is one-sided arrow line segment. This arrow shows that line segment extended endlessly in one direction is called a ray. Describing ray by arrow symbol. The ray AB has one endpoint, namely A, called its initial point. It has no definite length. Ray AB is not equal to ray BA because the both are having different initial point. In ray AB, A is the initial point. In ray BA, B is the initial point. Now move to line. A line segment extended endlessly on both sides is called a line. Denoting the line by double-sided arrow symbol placing over it. These arrows indicate that the line can be extended in both directions. A line is also represented by a small letter L or M or N or as AB. It has no endpoints. Now move to intersecting lines. If two lines meet each other at a point, then these lines are said to be intersecting lines, and a point is called point of intersection. Here we are having two lines L and M. They both are intersecting at a point P. Thus a point P is known as a point of intersection. Now next to parallel lines. Two or more lines which never meet each other and keep a fixed minimum distance are called parallel lines. Here we can easily see there are three parallel lines L, M and N. Now move to concurrent lines. Three or more lines are said to be concurrent if they pass through the same one common point. This point is called point of concurrence. Here we are having four lines L, M, N and P. They passes through a one common point A. Thus a point A is known as point of concurrence. Now next to collinear points. Three or more points lie on the same line are said to be collinear points. Here we are having 4 points A, B, C and D. They all are lie on the same line. That's why they are collinear points. If they all are not lie on the same line, they become non-collinear points. Now move to example. From the figure, we have to write the answer. For question number 1, 4 line segment. As we know that line segment is the part of line, thus we have to select 4 parts of line. But remember that describe the segment with the symbol of bar placing over it. Here 4 line segment will be PR, PQ, RS, QS. Now for question 2, 4 rays. Since in ray first letter is an initial point and second letter shows its direction. So here 4 rays will be PA, QC, RB, SD, describing the ray with arrow symbol. Now question number 3, 2 non-intersecting line segments. Means you have to choose those line segments which are not intersecting, that is PR and QS. Thank you.